I'll see what I can do.
There!
Oh, boy.
What? Air of Newt?
Oh, see, it's over here.
That's what I said. Air of Newt.
Oh, no.
Who is it? Who is it?
I always say it's a boy dressed up like a wizard.
There's a boy dressed up like a wizard in here. A boy? Where?
Oh,
What? What did you say?
This could go on all day.
I think we should eat him.
good idea.
Let's put him in a stew. I love boy stew. Let's put him in a stew. That's what I just said. But I'm not tired. What? He looks like a wizard. I'm not eating a wizard. They're all stringy. What do you want, boy?
You're, facing the wrong way.
Am I?
So it would seem.
Better?
It'll do.
What do you come here for, boy?
I get a kick out of mysterious caves.
You must be a tourist, then. There's good eating on tourists.